We're going to be checking out the newmen GM326X mechanical 75% keyboard. This keyboard is fantastic, and let's get right into it. So first off, mine is custom. It comes in all white, but I put keycaps on mine. Comes with a knob, some cap locks, home, pretty much more important FN buttons that can go to your PC, classic, everything, FN buttons, all the things you need in a keyboard. Still has the buttons for the J and F, and the space bar. So that's pretty good. But I'm gonna give it a typing test, and yeah. And I'll let you guys see what it looks like. And it has over 25 RGB settings that is usable for this. So once you plug it in, you can see it booting up with color. Gotta give it a minute. And now if you hold down FN and press X, that turns it off. You press it again to turn it back on. If you press FN up, it changes the different colors and different modes you can do. And if you press down or up, it changes the brightness of it. If you also press FN and these two buttons up here, it changes the mode. So, which I thought was pretty cool. It comes with red switches, but there's different options. I personally customized mine, so I put like Milky Echo or AKO or whatever, milky yellow, creamy milky yellow switches on it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's for sure a 10 out of 10. It also is hot swappable and has little rubber gripped stands, and has a knob which everybody loves. But yeah, this is a perfect keyboard to start your gaming career.